In today's video, we're going to explore how to listen to music offline on Spotify. Whether you're traveling, have limited data, or just want to save on your data uses, this feature is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You need a Spotify premium subscription to download music for offline listening. So if you don't have premium, you'll need to upgrade. Next, browse through the music you want to listen to offline. This could be a playlist, album, or individual songs. Once you've found what you want and you're ready to start downloading, for playlists and albums, look for the toggle download toggle switch, just like here. And it's usually located right across the plus sign. And for individual songs, you need to add them to a playlist or album to enable offline listening. If you want to ensure that Spotify only plays offline content and don't use data, but you can enable offline mode. Go to settings, find playback, and toggle on offline mode. This will ensure Spotify only plays your downloaded music. And that's it. You now know how to listen to music offline on Spotify.